Apple is poised to launch a cheaper iPhone 9 in 2018, and whether or not it goes by that specific name, we expect a new all-screen iPhone closer to the iPhone 8 in price than the iPhone X. The iPhone 9 launch date is likely less than 2 weeks away now, and with the announcement of the new iPhone so close, it's no wonder the web is rife with rumor, leaks and speculation. Of course, we do expect a new flagship phone too in the form of the iPhone 11, or iPhone 11, with a September launch window, but anyone holding out for a more affordable device from Apple should look no further than the iPhone 9. Update: the iPhone 9th of May end up being affordable, for an iPhone at least, but the latest iPhone 9 leaks point towards a large, 6.1-inch display and the same power under the hood as the rumored iPhone 11 and 11 Plus. We don't have any solid information at this point, but iPhone 9 rumors and leaks are pointing to a larger screen and a mix of iPhone 8 and iPhone X features. Of course, Apple may opt to keep with its current incremental naming system for this handset, and instead of calling it the iPhone 9 it may be called the iPhone 8s instead. If Apple does go for iPhone 8s, it would suggest the handset will only have minor upgrades over the iPhone 8. You'll find everything we know so far about the iPhone 9, or the iPhone 8s if that's what Apple opts for, below, and we're constantly updating this page with the very latest on the new iPhone. iPhone 9 release date. The iPhone 9 launch will almost certainly happen in September 2018, given Apple's typical release date schedule, and given that a September launch has been rumored. While Apple is yet to send out invites to its annual special event, we're willing to go as far as to say the exact date we expect the new iPhones to grace us with our presence. Apple generally holds its annual iPhone event in the second week of the 9th month, which means, going on previous Apple launches, the iPhone 9 release date is likely to be a week or two after the launch. A September 12th launch also falls nicely with a rumor from German site Macherkopf, which claims that its carrier sources say the iPhone 9 pre-orders will start on September 14th. That falls in line with previous iPhone launches, with people rushing to pre-order the new handset the Friday after the launch event. iPhone 9 price. When the iPhone 9 does arrive, it's sure to be expensive. This is an affordable iPhone, not a budget iPhone, though the final price tag may be less than you might expect. The main price rumor we've heard comes from renowned analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, who claims the iPhone 9 could cost $600, $700, around £450, £530, or $18,950 Australian dollars, which would potentially make it cheaper than the iPhone 8. iPhone 9 news and leaks. The iPhone 9 is expected to be a sequel to the iPhone 8, and perhaps called the iPhone 8s if it features only incremental upgrades over its predecessor. Early iPhone 9 rumors suggest it will, and one of the leaks includes a render video, showing how the phone might look. As you can see in the video below, it looks a lot like the iPhone X, but with a single lens camera. The source adds that it has a 6.1-inch OLED screen,